Ngicela nje sihloniphaneni. Mangifaka inamba yami laphaya ukuthi contact me to do business with me, if you wanna come to the podcast, if you wanna send me your story, mangifaka inamba laphaya angiyifakeli ukuthi ningishele. Some of you now they are taking my number there, bayashela. Ngicela bantu besilisa abakule community, I appreciate your presence and your support. Kodwa ngicela sihloniphane, angishelisi Nkosi yami. This is just a feedback video for the Tinder moments, my experiences, because I received overwhelming, beautiful comments and DMs and everything. So yeah, let's continue with the movement. My experiments. What did I find on Tinder? And what are my views about dating apps? Yeah. Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Sanibonani guys, ngihambe kahle. I travel very safely. Thank you so much to those we've been interacting with today, a Heritage Day. I know ukuthi wena ngikuyibona this video nge-Heritage Day uzoyibona. I don't know ngizoyi-uploada nini. But thank you so much for those of you who wished me safe travels. I have traveled safe. And yeah, I'm just reacting to my Tinder Moments experience, the first story that I posted about Umlungu. I see ama comments wenu, I see ama questions wenu. Hey guys, angifuni ukungasho. Yazi, after that incident, angifuni ukungasho. Ngike ngazidoubt myself. Ngike ngazidoubt ngathi hayibo. Ngaze ngablame namabhadi ngathi hayibo kanti ukubuya kwi-divorce kunjani uvele nje ube nebhadi uthi uyaqala uyadlala dlala nawe udlala imidlalo yabantu abadala abalingana nawe nontanga yakho kuvele kube nje. Ngazidoubt, I blame it on amabhadi ukuthi hey noba maybe I was not supposed to start dating, maybe khona cleansing ekumele mangiyenze or something like that. Tell me guys, is there a cleansing umuntu ayenzayo uma kade eqeda kubuya kwi-divorce before azoqhubeka ajole or aqale new relationship? Ikhona into ekufanele siyenze. I've always asked myself this question. Kodwa ngaze ngiyiphimisele. Let me ask, because now I've got this opportunity after I've posted the story. Ikhona yini i-cleansing eyenziwa umuntu obuya kwi-divorce? Because all I know is that ngesiZulu i-divorce ayikho. Kuthiwa umshado ngesiZulu awuqhawuli, because how do you undo ukuthelwa ngenyongo? And-ke mina ngishadile emaXhoseni, ndatshiswa utsiki sana. One day I'll show you, those of you who don't know ukuthi into enjani, I will show you. I will act the process for you. Yokutshiswa utsiki. And yeah. And yeah, the promises I make is the promises I keep. You ask and I listen to your command, because ngathi mangabe ngithi I'm gonna do my Tinder moments experience moments, and nathi and akuyena umuntu oyi-one owasho lokho wathi hayi ngeke sesizande sicela ukuqale ngezimnandi sesikhathele manje uyasabisa uThinder, uyasabisa ngey'tori ezigcwele ama-scammers nento ezithusayo. Sicela ezimnandi iy'tori. So yeah, ngizoqala ngazo zonke-ke ezimnandi, ziyeza. Ziyeza. And yeah, uThinder, not just uThinder kuphela, all dating apps, they've got their bad sides and good sides. Especially that abantu abagangile, scammers and people abaney'nhloso nje ezimbi in general, nabantu abafuna ukudlala nayo yonke into, they love these dating apps because they know ukuthi most of the time women who go into dating apps, it's career women who don't have enough time to go around, to go out a lot, to meet people. Those people ba serious in their life, they know how to make their own money, they've made it in life, but independent, they can afford themselves. So uthola ukuthi umuntu wakhona noma aphuma uhamba nabangane uyodla laphaya, it's an outing, a weekend away here and there, but akubenzi ukuthi bahlangane nabantu enough. Omunye waze wathi, if you are a career woman, you're driving and all of that, akuyishiya imoto ngelinye ilanga nje, just 1 week ubambe itekisi ubona abantu, ubone fresher perspectives out of your life that you have acquired for yourself. Angazi noma mhlampe wayesho into eyenza sense, kodwa mhlampe yayenza sense because Yeah, I've often seen and heard a lot of women who either divorced or in their peak of their careers, they are complaining ukuthi umjulu uyabanyisa, and they are also complaining ukuthi abashelwa. Kuningi-ke, siyoku-unpack-a ngelinye ilanga sikukhulume, mhlampe sizothola iy'mpendulo. Mhlampe I'll also bring in something. Tell me, comment on this video down below. Would you like me to invite a love coach? There are people ababizwa ngama-love coach who understand relationships, and if I bring such a person to a podcast, ngifuna ama-questions aqhamuke from you guys, because I know ukuthi ama-relationships anyisa abantu abaningi. Anyisa abantu abaningi macala, awana-age, awana-colour, awanakufundiswa, awayi ngisho nanokuthi unemali or not. So ake ningikhomentele nisho ukuthi what would you like to see on the next podcast. Le platform ngicela ukuyenza kube eyenu, i-ownership eyenu. So from now moving forward, you will tell me what would you like to see, because we are already doing story times. They are inspirational. Ayakha ayakhulisa, ne-podcast na it's inspirational. But on the podcast, nifuna ukuthi nginilethele abantu abanjani, nifuna information enjani, asifundisaneni ngani eninyisayo kwangempela enibonayo ukuthi hey, yabona-ke la we really need umuntu owazi kangcono kunathi. Kodwa ya, nonetheless, ngizoqhubeka nama-story times wama-experiences wami on Tinder. And shame, yeah, kuningi engingakushongo ngontonton, my tonton ney'ndlebe ey'nkulu engazokuthi zilindele ukuzwa ukuthi i-World War III iqala nini. Ngangijwayele ukumgcona kanje, yo, your ears bra, your ears are so big, it's like you are waiting to hear ukuthi i-World War III iqala nini, uhlome ngoba phela vele wena uyisizukulwane sika-Hitler nje, and we'll laugh about that. Yeah, ziningi izinto ezinhle esazenza kanye naye. Okunye nje engingazange ngikumenshine okwangenza ngazonda uFlorida Road. Till this day akungi-excite ukuthi mekuthiwa abantu kuyayikhishwa kuyodliwa ntonto. UFlorida Road ave ungasangi-excite ever since that time. You remember I mentioned ukuthi wangitshela ukuthi nginey'mpundu ey'nkulu and yena ngeke aku-enjoy ukulala nomuntu oney'nqa ey'nkulu kangaka ngoba uthanda spoon position, intontontoni, yonke lento ayisho, and he told me ukuthi I'm not his type. We were on our way to eat dinner, you remember. When we get to where we were going, saya ku-Florida Road in one of the restaurants in let me just mention ukuthi nje ngaya eButcher Block. Angiba-advertise, I know they don't even watch this platform. Kodwa nje iButcher Block kwayona yanginyanyisa from that day. Ngoba into eyenzeka, remember ukuthi saya kodla leyo dinner and mina naye sasikade sisuke e-airport, mina safike sabuya ekuseni on a Monday, wangidropha emsebenzini, zonke izinto zami zazikuyena, iy'mpahla zami zokugqoka and everything, suitcase and everything. So uma ngabe siyodla, engi-invite ukuthi siyodla idina, engitshela nokuthi ngeke sikwazi ukuba ne-relationship because of iy'mpundu zami and what not. Remember ukuthi sengiphekhile, zonke izinto zami zisebhuthini nayo yonke into, laptop, everything, because vele I'm going back home, uzongihambisa ekhaya ntambama in my house. When we got to Butcher Block ku-Florida Road eThekwini, we ordered, we ate, we enjoyed, and mina ne-appetite ngangingasenayo kahle nje, ngathi cho kabili kathathu, ngazi-odela i-dessert afterwards nesiphuzo, and then ngathatha a takeaway. Did I tell you guys ukuthi when we got to the car, cabanga ukuthi ku-Florida Road kupakwa on the roadside. Those of you who don't know Durban, ama-restaurants amaningi ku-Florida Road kubhizi. It's a nice place, hangout space, kuney'ndawo eziningi zokudlela ezi-right, ezi-sharp, yabo, ezi-sharp, but abanawo ama-parking. You have to park on the side of the road. It's roadside parking. As a result, thina ku-Butcher Block la saya kodla khona, we parked right on opposite, eceleni nje kwe-Butcher Block. Masifika sadla-ke, mesibuya-ke sesiza la endlini, masifika la endlini kwami, sithi offloada izinto zami phela, ama-suitcase, ama-laptop, nani nani. Everything gone. Everything in the car gone. Into eyenzeka ukuthi athi mengabe siyongena emotweni, wathi mengabe ethi uphula off i-handle ye-driver's side, yavele yaqathaka nje, kwangazi ukuthi into ebeyibekiwe, kwangathi into ebeyibekiwe. Kwazi wathi hayibo, what is going on with this car? Was the handle loose or something? And then he picked up the handle, wazama ukuyibuyisela, yaklipheka nje futhi easy, yabuyiseka nje kwangazuthi into ebeyikhishwe ngamabomu, waphinde wayifaka. Kanti bafike bagqekeza. Okwanginyanyisa tu kunako konke was the fact that ukuthi in the midst of all of that masiyo-reporter e-butcher block, i-manager yakhona, we reported ngoba sasifuna ukuthi asinikeze asi-check-ele ama-surveillance cameras wabo ukuthi what happened, can we identify the thief or anything like that. Unfortunately basitshela ukuthi ama-cameras wabo awafiki emgwaqweni. Into enjani leyo? They're only looking inside the restaurant. You know ukuthi you are a restaurant outlet esezingeni, you service abantu abakwi-level ethile yempilo, but you don't have ama-cameras that are looking around your establishment. Ama-cameras abheke ngaphakathi kuphela. Yo, Shem, he was so sweet in all of that. And remember ukuthi ngangilahlekelwe i-laptop phela mina, and the IC work that I was doing, the independent work that I was doing required me to have my own laptop. Ngilahlekelwe i-laptop, ngilahlekelwe iy'mpahla zokugqoka zonke lezi ebezigcwele e-suitcase-ini. Ngicabanga ukuthi bengihambe iviki lonke ne-weekend. Iviki lwasithi nje bengihambe iviki lonke. Ziningi iy'mpahla ezazilaphaya. Ziningi iy'mpahla ezazilaphaya, and yo, zaziningi because nangesikhathi sifika lapha at the game reserve, wangithengela some of the things, some yini ubuhlali lobo benziwa abomama laba abenza izinto ezi-local lapha. Wayengithengelile some of the things, ama-t-shirts a-local abhaliwe welcome to Hluhluwe, St. Lucia. Wayengithengelile some of the things, and nami ngangihambe nje nezinto ezi-right phela, ngangifuna ukubonakala. Hawu, cabanga sengihamba ney'nto ezingasile, sengitshela no-white, sengitshela no and you know Germans, sengitshela no-goeiemorgen, and ngihambe ney'nto ey'bheda. So ngangihambe ney'nto eyi-right nje zami zokugqoka, ama-shorts engangiwathathile kwakuyilawa we-quality, and wayengitshelile ukuthi vele ukuthi ngiphekhe ini nani nani. Even the sunglasses kwakuyi-Oakley sunglasses, wayengithengele yena-ke before sihamba-ke. Wathi kwafika nje senginika ethi you'll need this because we'll be on the sun most of the time there. So yonke leyo nto yalahleka, and in the midst of ukulahleka kwayo yonke lento, you know what he did? Sahamba saya e-police station. He was so supportive, Shem, because I was so devastated. Kubuhlungu ngishontshela, ngifuna ukungasho. He was so supportive. He even told me ukuthi no, angabe ngisalala la endlini kwami, asiphindele emuva ngiyolala kwakhe because akafuni ukungishiya nginje. That's how sweet he was. He was a gentleman. Wathi akafuni ukungishiya nginje because I know now I'm frustrated, especially with the fact that ukuthi angikwazi ukusebenza because ngilahlekelwe i-laptop and ilahlekelwe umsebenzi. So akakwazi ukungishiya nginje. Cela sihambe siyolala, will think ukuthi what is going to happen next. The following morning ngavuka ke as usual ngaya emsebenzini. I had class that day, only one, because Tuesday. On Tuesday I used to have one class. So ngaya ke emsebenzini, ngafike ngabatshela ukuthi ngilahlekelwe i-laptop and everything. So kwawukuthi-ke kufanele ngizame enye indlela yokuthola i-laptop. When I came back after that class, lalingena ngo-11 lelo class la Tuesday, lalingena ngo-11 liphele ngo12:30. Wathi, let's go and report this to the police. I've called my travel insurance because izinto zakho zilahleke uhamba nami, you were my guest, so izinto zakho ziyafana nokuthi ezami. So I have inquired, bathe bazozikhokha zonke izinto zakho ezilahlekile, including i-laptop. I will send you i-laptop mina from my office. I've got some of the laptops that because they apparently bebesanda kushintsha i-equipment yase-office, and some of the laptops abekade se-right esasebenza-ke, ngaze wayethi wayezowa-donate-ke kephi i-charity organization aye a-donate kuyona. Wathi ngizokusendela one of those laptops. Did the laptop come? Yafika ngempela. Wavele nje wafona, wahlala phezu kocingo, wafonela one of ama-managers wakhe, wabuza i-laptop enje, what can I get? Have you sent them already? Wathi uGuy, no, we haven't sent them already, we're just preparing them for packaging. Udriver bezowahambisa kusasa ekuseni. Wathi, what brands do you have? Washo umfana lo khona ukuthi nokuthi. Wathi, give me one of the new one, the newest ones, and the ones that still have ilokhunjana that are still in good use. Why package umfana nangempela yafika qathatha. I'm still using that laptop till today. Can you imagine? I'm still using that laptop, and insurance yakhe yakhokha nje whole 7.5. Wathi angifuni nokuyibheka. Maybe as soon as beyifaka nje, I'm sending it all to you. Why send nje yonke 7.5 izwa injalo Shem. He was such a sweet, good guy. Tinder is not all bad, and all the other dating apps are not all bad. You just have to be careful, and you just have to know ukuthi you are swimming in a sea that is full of big sharks that are ready to ukuqhoboza in every possible ways, because abantu baney'nhloso ey'ningi ezihlukile ngokungena kulama-apps. So yeah, that's all I can say. Ngizoqhubeka-ke nezitori zami. Zikhona nami nginawo ama-experiences wami angishiya angikhamisile. Amanye sizowa-analyse sijaje ukuthi okwenzeka kwakuyinhloso noma kwakwenzeka by mistake or kwakubugebengu or what. Because ikhona nje i-incident eyangihlakalela ngikade ngiye emntwini engihlangane naye ku-Tinder kanjalo, and yangishiya nginemibuzo till this day, ngisasenemibuzo, kodwa-ke I got over it. Ngadlula nje lapha hhayi. At the end of the day, I knew what I was getting myself into. I'm just grateful ukuthi mina I was safe from the whole thing. Yeah, in a way. Ngizonixoxela. Ziyeza ngizoni-unpack-a nga-one nga-one, and kusazoba mnandi. Kusazoba mnandi. Let's keep moving and let's keep living. Let's keep loving each other. Let's keep building this beautiful community and sinakekelane.